So Nigam sir, do you want to recognize the person on the screen?
I think it's a very drastic change, from there to here now today. And the best thing is that when I meet people, nobody has even told me that have you ever had a hair transplant?
Okay.
Because it's done so beautifully, maintaining the lines and everything, the temple line, the swirl which you call it as cowlick. I think that was the biggest task, because the whole way we had to fit this in and cover this up so that it doesn't look unnatural. I think that was marvelous job. Beautiful.
That was the most the swirl comes from here, and then another wave of hair comes from here, and two waves that joint here, and they go up.
Right.
That was the most difficult thing to execute, and making it look natural, and that was the most difficult thing. And I do remember the challenge, I would say challenge that I had on that day. And then challenge was to have that artistry correct, the unnatural or unusual pattern of hair, that is the whole the way you had. And the second thing is having the imagination, and the most important thing is doing it and getting it executed in terms of the growth.
Yeah. That was also a concern, whether we have done it, but will it grow or not? But I guess that is because of a lifestyle that you told what to eat, what not to eat. Ideally, to make sure that the hair grows better. But I think the way you suggested it, you never suggested me a deep looking thing, what goes with my age, and you never insisted me also to make this line a little lower down and make it look more younger or whatever. You said let's go with the way it should look natural. I think that's the beauty about you,
Yes.
The way you, and also what I remember is how you measured this line from here to here with the scale, this from here to the scale, and where exactly it should come. I think that's the most that's where the fineness is,
Yeah, this is an art, and executing the art and getting it into fruition.
Right.
That gives the thrill or kick to do.
No, but that's why the result is because you made sure that your perfections in terms of how to make sure that the jaw, the chin to this, and how in the center it should fit in, so it's aligned properly and doesn't look out of the shape. And the biggest thing, if you see here, I did not have any temple over here. My temple was totally gone. And now when I see the temple over here, it just looks, I think it defines the whole shape of the face with the temple.
Now I'm
with the
started
cowlick.
getting some offers from movies and entertainment, because
I don't know about that. That's not what I want to do. But it makes me look more confident, definitely. Definitely makes you look more confident.
One of the best works I have done in terms of challenge and getting into fruition.
Right.
Growing hair is very tiny job, everybody has mastered that, but growing into the way it should be, it should go with your facial architecture, and it should be relevant on a face when it will be 60, 70, all time to come, and it should be impeccable. Nobody should be able to make out that your procedure done. So those are the challenging and kind of I say those are the kicks.
Yeah. And I remember when I was at on the operation theatre, hardly any operation though, but the whole staff, I think the way it happened, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चला कि where time flew, because your staff, I think, was the most cordial and very, very obedient. Anything, they would come every 5 minutes, sir, anything that you want us to do, you want us to watch us play your favorite movie, watch your favorite show, listen to favorite song, you playing harmonium, whatever, so it all adds up. It makes you feel that you guys are doing your job very professionally and very passionately. More than profession, it's you're doing it out of love, and your love shows. The person who's sitting on that chair and doing that surgery doesn't feel like it's a surgery. It feels like वो कोई उत्सव हो रहा है, कोई मेला हो रहा है. I think that's what the beauty about you is at the end of the day.
And the trust. To add to that is the trust that the patient shows up on the doctor. That is very, very important.
True.
The trust translates into a very early result. That's what I would like to tell to Sanaya also. You have to create the atmosphere where the patient trusts the doctor as if he is a family member.
Right.
Once that is created, the patient develops the trust.
Right.
And that translates into beautiful bonding.
Yeah.
And today we are making the video because you have the bonding of the love and respect, and of course for which you came, you got that.
Yeah, exactly. So, we never had any relation with you. I never knew you, but now the relation is so strong, it's gone beyond a doctor and a patient relationship. Today we are like friends, you know. And I think that's the whole idea, that you come as unknown person, and with your work you build relationships. I think that's very beautiful.
Thank you so much, Nigam sir.
Thank you.
I will cherish your hair forever.
I will also cherish the work that you've done. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank
you can look at the camera now.
Yeah,
They can
and
see.
thank you to your team also, the entire staff
all the team,
at
you know
Eugenex.
that
Yeah.
they all are from
Everyone.
my village.
Yeah,
You know that they
yeah.
all-
Everyone from your village, everyone staying here, and very nicely done. Thank you.